step into the 2007 Toyota Corolla S. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include adjustable steering wheel, power outlet, AM/FM stereo, fog lamps, child safety locks, bucket seats, power door locks, rear bench seat, and steel wheels. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.